I'm still amazed that so many business leaders come to me and say, yeah, but the digital tsunami, we were taken by surprise. How come you are taken by surprise? I mean, with 2020, the first digital wave started in 1995 with the internet. The second wave was the wave of social media, 2005. The platforms, that's 2012. So you cannot be taken by surprise. What's the matter? I call that the beach chair model. Just imagine that your business model is renting beach chairs on an overcrowded beach, a red ocean. So what do? In the morning you wake up a little bit earlier than competition and you steal an extra row, increasing your market share. But then you're locked up in your market share. So the only thing you can do is do today what you did yesterday and do tomorrow what you did today, but then just that little bit better. Operational excellence. Smaller chairs, put them closer together, buy them in China, they're cheaper, give them fancy colors, all that type of stuff. And you're very good at it. But by being very good at it, the only thing that you do is focus on the internal organization. You're very good at it. But you forget to watch the ocean, you forget to watch the beach because you're busy with your beach chairs. And then there is a tsunami on the way. So when a tsunami is on the way, the first thing that happens is your beach gets wider. And your brain is going to only see opportunity to put more beach chairs on the beach. You're not going to realize that something strange is going on. And even when somebody like me taps on your shoulder and says, yeah, but there's this digital tsunami on the way, you're going to look up and you're going to see that wave on the horizon. And your brain is going to minimize the wave. Your brain is going to say, yeah, but the wave is not that important. And the impact, you know what, is not going to be that huge. And you know what? We'll deal with it when it happens. And then all of a sudden you look up and what you see in front of you is a tsunami. And then you're too late. The only thing you can do is scream and run. How do you avoid being surprised by a tsunami? I'd say organize your own baywatch. And what is your own baywatch? Appoint a couple of people in your organization or from outside of your organization to help you not to do operational excellence, not to look at your beach chairs, but to watch the ocean and to spot new waves. And from time to time, a new wave on the horizon is false alarm. And then you say, it didn't happen. But check and double check, because you never know. Okay, the second type of wave is that growing wave. It grows and grows and grows, and if you're not careful, that's going to turn into a tsunami. That is, speed up. Appoint a couple of people in your organization that tries to understand the wave, tries to see the connection between the wave and your business model, and how that wave is going to impact your business model, or how you can use that wave as an opportunity for improving your business model. The third wave is the type of wave that you don't want to be confronted with. There's a tsunami. Red alert, you're too late. Scream and run. So in order not to be too late and not to be confronted with a tsunami, organize your very own baywatch. And don't just think about it. You ought to absolutely do it.